This is a very clear message to the government of Meghalaya and Chief Minister. Please plead this issue regarding with Aadhar to the government of India and give a letter to the government of India to escape Meghalaya from Aadhar, because most of the people in our state, they didn't want Aadhar. So before you enforce Aadhar or before you execute Aadhar in our state, please give an awareness program about Aadhar, because most of the people, they didn't know about Aadhar. So I request you, before you enforce Aadhar, please give an awareness program about Aadhar. What does Aadhar mean, so that the people, they know about Aadhar. If you don't give an awareness program, why do you want to enforce Aadhar in our state? This is impossible. So I want the government of Meghalaya, especially the Chief Minister, please plead this issue regarding with Aadhar to the government of India and give a letter to the government of India to escape Meghalaya from Aadhar, because most of the people in our state, they didn't want Aadhar. Before you enforce Aadhar, you have to request the government of India to give any special law or any special provision in Meghalaya to protect the encroachment of outsiders, because most of the outsiders from other states, they came to Meghalaya to set up a business. We, the people of Meghalaya, we face a problem regarding unemployment, because most of our youths, most of our people, they don't have any job, and we face unemployment. So why do the people from other states, they came in our state to set up a business? This is impossible. This is impossible. So I request you, the government of Meghalaya, please request the government of India to give a special provision or a special law to protect us from the outsiders. And I also request you to plead the government of India, as I said just now, to escape Meghalaya from Aadhar, because most of the people, they didn't want Aadhar.